Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining us here on Mississippi Live. I'm Emily Leonard. The drama between the city of Corinth and Corinth Theater Arts Group is still playing out on the public stage. The two are set to go to a non-jury trial on September 24th with control of the theater and its equipment on the line. That, according to the Daily Corinthian. The city is trying to oust the community theater group from its longtime home, citing lack of faith in the theater board and how they are operating the theater, plus an expired lease. The theater group argues the city used the wrong legal standard for eviction and didn't give the full 90 days notice required by the lease. You can read all the details and the back and forth in the Daily Corinthian. You ever tried to send a text message during a Mississippi State football game from inside of the stadium? Virtually impossible, at least until now. AT&T hopes to eliminate some of the connection problems inside Davis-Wade Stadium at Mississippi State. The company's installing a new digital antenna system that should eliminate any issues of non-connectivity during football games. They say the plans to cover the entire 60,000-seat stadium, the press area, sidelines, and other areas to make it easier for the students, fans, visitors, and others to maintain cellular connections. By the way, Mississippi State hosts its first home game at Davis-Wade on September 5th against Louisiana Monroe. Ole Miss will honor legendary Rebel quarterback Archie Manning with a statue on the college campus. The statue will be on the south end of Vaught-Hemingway Stadium. Of course, Manning was the first Ole Miss player to ever have his jersey, number 18, retired. And you'll notice the 18-mile-per-hour speed limit on campus to honor his number as well. He went on to play 11 seasons for the New Orleans Saints, passing for 125 touchdowns in his NFL career. Further details about this statue and the unveiling have not yet been released, so stay tuned for that. Thank you, everyone, for joining us here on Mississippi Live. I'm Emily Leonard. Have a great night.